Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by preparing the scene. Unlock your phone or PC and keep the unwanted Bluetooth device within about 10 meters. Open Settings and go directly to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the host is discoverable if you need to compare names. Look at the paired or available device list and note the exact name and type so you don't remove the wrong one. Once you've identified it, proceed straight to the device controls to initiate removal. You'll now perform the core action. Select the unwanted device and open its info or menu. Choose Remove, Forget, or Unpair. Different platforms use different words, then confirm the prompt. This severs pairing and deletes keys. Make sure to wait for the system to update the list so the device disappears. If it still shows, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh, then recheck. Once gone, move to the final cleanup to prevent automatic reconnects in the future. Finish by eliminating reconnection paths. Restart your phone or PC and the peripheral. This clears cache states. If the device reappears or won't unpair, reset Bluetooth or network settings. This removes all pairings but resolves stubborn entries. For a single peripheral that reconnects, factory reset that device according to its manual, then repair only the devices you trust. If problems persist, check for OS updates or remove device drivers on a computer. This usually fixes lingering pairing ghosts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.